This is INN News with a special report. Good afternoon, I'm Penn Holderness. A shocking discovery is now rocking the scientific world. After weeks of calling the deadliest pandemic in the last 20 years the Chinese flu, epidemiologists have determined that the strains among Mexican migrant workers in the southeastern United States are much older than those now in China. Scientists have been interviewing the families of hundreds of migrant workers who died, apparently from flu-like symptoms, over the past few months, and have exhumed dozens of bodies that were buried in the U.S. and back home in Mexico, only to discover this earlier strain of the virus. Well, the discovery has now fueled a strong anti-immigrant sentiment among many groups who now see Mexico, instead of China, as being the threat to our health and security, and have dubbed the flu, in the words of one angry citizen, another unwelcome immigrant slipping past our border guards and putting our jobs and children at risk. Epidemiologists reconstructing the outbreak tell a different story. They have begun zeroing in on North Carolina and the state's pig farms as the origins of the pandemic. As word leaks out, state officials now quietly discussing whether to quarantine farms, and a local grocery in the southeast, Kroger, is reporting that bacon sales have fallen 50% in the past 3 days. This report could prove devastating for these farms, which have received much attention for their potential environmental role in carbon offsets. Well, how the disease went from Mexican immigrant workers to China and then spread to the rest of the world will be the subject of much research over the upcoming months and possibly years. While we may not be able to resolve the mystery, we still need to resolve the other social and political issues that this virus has inflamed. For more on this issue, we're going to go live to Professors Priscilla Wald and Cheryl Broverman at Duke University.